How to cook like a professional chef. Expert tips inside. Did you know that you could easily transform your home-cooked meals into dishes that look and taste like they belong in a 5-star restaurant? The secret lies in learning a few essential skills, tips, and techniques used by professional chefs. With the right knowledge, you can take any dish and elevate it to a level of sophistication that will impress anyone who tastes it. But the best part? You don't need expensive kitchen equipment or fancy ingredients. All you need are a few tricks of the trade, and you'll start cooking like a pro in no time. In this video, we're going to break down the fundamental skills and methods that chefs use in their everyday cooking, so you can apply them right at home. From knife techniques to flavor balancing and even presentation, we've got everything you need to make your cooking stand out. So, make sure to stick around till the end because we'll reveal a few secrets that top chefs use, and you won't want to miss them. Trust us, after learning these tips, you'll feel more confident and skilled in the kitchen than ever before. Ready to cook like a professional? Let's dive in. 1. Mastering knife skills. The foundation of great cooking starts with mastering your knife skills. It may sound basic, but trust us, how you handle your knife makes a huge difference. If you've ever found yourself struggling to chop vegetables or cutting uneven pieces, you're not alone. Many home cooks overlook the importance of knife skills, but it's one of the first things professional chefs focus on. Why? Because using a knife properly allows you to cut ingredients quickly, safely, and with precision, making your cooking process much more efficient. Choosing the right knife. First things first, you don't need a whole collection of knives to start cooking like a pro. A sharp chef's knife is the most versatile tool in your kitchen, and with a little practice, you can use it for almost anything. A good quality knife doesn't have to be expensive, but it should feel comfortable in your hand. When you find the right knife, keep it sharp, as dull knives can be more dangerous and make cutting much harder. Proper knife grip. When holding your knife, make sure to grip it firmly but not too tight. Hold the handle with your dominant hand, and place your other hand on the blade, just above the handle. This grip is called the pinch grip, and gives you more control while cutting. If you've been holding your knife by just the handle, you might notice a huge difference once you use the pinch grip. It allows for greater stability and accuracy in your cuts. Cutting techniques. There's a world of difference between chopping, dicing, and mincing. For example, chopping is a rough, quick cut, while dicing requires more precision and even-sized pieces. Mincing is the finest cut of all, typically used for garlic or herbs. As a professional chef would do, practice cutting with consistency, aiming to have each piece the same size. This ensures your food cooks evenly and looks professional on the plate. Safety first. Safety is key when handling sharp knives. Always cut on a stable surface, like a cutting board, and never use a knife that feels too dull. A dull knife can slip easily, causing accidents. Also, keep your fingers tucked under while cutting, using your knuckles as a guide. This simple trick can prevent cutting your fingers and improve your efficiency. 2. Perfecting cooking techniques. Once you have your knife skills under control, the next step is mastering different cooking techniques. Professional chefs have an extensive knowledge of how heat, cooking times, and methods affect the food they prepare. With the right techniques, you can extract the maximum flavor from your ingredients and create textures that are just perfect. Sautéing. Sautéing is one of the fastest cooking methods used in professional kitchens. It involves cooking food quickly over medium-high heat with a small amount of fat, such as oil or butter. The key to sautéing is to constantly stir or toss the ingredients so they cook evenly. It's a technique perfect for vegetables, meats, and seafood, allowing you to achieve a nice sear while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Roasting. Roasting is a method that uses dry heat to cook food in an oven. This technique works best for meats, poultry, and vegetables. The high heat caramelizes the natural sugars in food, which enhances the flavor and creates a beautiful, golden brown exterior. To roast like a professional, preheat your oven properly and always use a roasting pan with a rack, allowing air to circulate around the food for even cooking. Braising. Braising is a slower cooking method where you brown the meat or vegetables first, then cook them in a small amount of liquid over low heat for an extended period. It's perfect for tougher cuts of meat like beef chuck or pork shoulder. Braising not only tenderizes the food but also infuses it with rich, deep flavors. When done right, braised dishes are incredibly flavorful and melt in your mouth tender. Grilling. Grilling adds a smoky, charred flavor to your food, making it perfect for summer meals. The trick to grilling is to control the heat and avoid overcooking. Always preheat the grill, and make sure to oil your grates to prevent sticking. Grilled meats should be seared on both sides to create a flavorful crust, and the key is to rest the meat after grilling so the juices redistribute and the meat stays moist. Steaming. Steaming is a healthy way to cook vegetables and fish, as it preserves nutrients better than boiling or frying. Steaming also enhances the natural flavors of the food. Use a steaming basket or a pot with a lid, and make sure the water is simmering rather than boiling rapidly to prevent overcooking the food. When done correctly, steamed food retains its natural texture and flavors while being tender. 3. Balancing flavors. One of the biggest differences between amateur and professional cooking is flavor balance. In fine dining, chefs are experts at balancing salt, acidity, sweetness, bitterness, and umami to create the perfect dish. Understanding how these flavors work together will allow you to elevate any meal and create complex, interesting flavors. The role of salt. Salt is one of the most important ingredients in a chef's arsenal, but it's often underused or overused by home cooks. Salt enhances the natural flavors of food and helps other seasonings stand out. However, it's important not to add too much. Start by seasoning your dish early in the cooking process and adjust as needed. Acidity and sweetness. Acidity brightens up dishes and balances out rich or fatty flavors. A squeeze of lemon or a dash of vinegar can completely transform a dish, cutting through the heaviness of a creamy sauce or roasted meats. On the other hand, sweetness can balance out bitter or spicy flavors. A small amount of honey, maple syrup, or even fruit can make a significant difference in your dish's overall flavor profile. Umami. Umami is the savory taste that's often associated with ingredients like soy sauce, mushrooms, cheese, and meat. Professional chefs use umami to add depth and richness to their dishes. Don't hesitate to experiment with different umami-rich ingredients like miso paste, anchovies, or Parmesan cheese to deepen the flavor of your cooking. Bitterness. Bitterness is a flavor that can be challenging to master, but when done right, it adds sophistication and balance. Bitter greens like arugula or kale, or even a sprinkle of cocoa powder, can balance out rich or sweet dishes. It's all about finding the right combination of flavors. Conclusion. Cooking like a professional chef is about more than just following recipes. It's about understanding the techniques, flavors, and presentation that elevate your meals. By mastering knife skills, cooking methods, flavor balancing, and plating, you'll be able to create dishes that impress every time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and learn from your mistakes. With time, these tips will become second nature, and you'll start cooking with confidence and creativity. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to bring the art of professional cooking into your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing cooking tips.